Strongly bullish Luckin Coffee was trending yesterday, the 17th of November 2025, because investors were reacting to the company's latest indicators of strong business momentum. The spotlight is on its impressive revenue growth, fueled by sustained customer demand, rapid store expansion, and a notable surge in new customer acquisitions. Many in the investing and trading community view this continued growth as proof that the company's aggressive pricing strategy and tech driven operating model are still winning over consumers in China's increasingly competitive coffee market. But alongside the upbeat sentiment, traders are also taking a closer look at the rising delivery costs reported in its recently disclosed earnings outcomes, as the company leans heavily into convenience and app-based transactions, including a large share of delivery orders. The associated logistics expenses are starting to pressure margins. Yeah, community discussions are divided. Some argue these costs are a temporary byproduct of scaling and high order volume, while others warn that persistent cost inflation could dampen the company's profitability in the near term. A major point of excitement remains the ongoing speculation around a potential US relisting. Many bullish investors believe the company's stronger financials, cleaned up governance, and debt-free status make a relisting not only possible but increasingly likely. Such a move would open the door to institutional capital and higher liquidity, potentially justifying a significant multiple expansion. Comparisons with Starbucks are also driving the conversation as well. While Starbucks remains the global leader, investors argue that Luckin's localized efficiencies, lower price point store offerings, and digital first model give it a unique edge in China, a market where Starbucks has been facing slowing sales and intense competition. As a result, debates around fair valuation have heated up, with some calling LKNCY undervalued related to its growth trajectory, and others cautioning that the stock has priced in much of its turnaround story already. Adding fuel to the conversation, recent analysts' coverage has highlighted both the opportunity and the risks ahead. Analysts broadly acknowledge that the company's rapid expansion and the strong unit economics, but differ on whether the company's current valuation fully reflects the potential impact of rising costs, competitive pressure, and macro uncertainty in China. Okay, so underlying trend, as indicated earlier, is strongly bullish. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that this trend it has right now is going to remain in place up till tomorrow, the 19th, but it's going to get a rejection after that. From the 20th, it might go into a contraction that may remain in place up till the 3rd of December. So all in all, it's just saying that it's going to be a volatile week, a volatile. For the rest of the year, it's just going to be consolidating, if not even volatile. At various at some point, well, for all along, or maybe from time to time, the 40-day moving average might be serving as a critical resistance or support, as the case may be. Projections are currently saying 33.11, 39.29, 34.28, and 36.19. The probability of it retesting this high of, let's see what we have, 41.15. 41.15 is, let's see what we have. Yeah, it's less than 50%. Yeah, quite small, quite small, Yeah. Probability of it retesting 43.03. Probably it's a 52-week high is also very, very tiny, very tiny. I can even tell you maybe less than 10%. So going by the sort of paradoxes we have, that really exists with um, probabilities. Sometimes when the probability is very tiny, it is also when it may happen. And when it's very, very high, it may not happen. Usually when it's high, we've observed it's because when it's high, when the probabilities are high, there might be some rotation going on, or some broader market issues. But when it's less, it may not. There may not be sector issues going around such stocks. These are just some observations. They're not scientific at all. You shouldn't rely on them, or anything like that. So let's have a look at its 4 hour chart and see what we have. Yeah, here it's saying that the contraction of this expansion. This expansion began on Friday the 14th. Yeah, yeah, Friday the 14th. It's expected that the contraction may. It's not contracting yet. It may, if any, it might begin from tomorrow, from today, midday today. And yeah, just like in the case of the daily chart, it's just going to be a consolidation, a volatile one. So the contraction, at least the first leg of the consolidation, is expected to begin from tomorrow, from today, and then maybe come to an end by Monday, the 12th, the 24th. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Here, we can try and see what we can find out in terms of probabilities. 41.16. Okay, very tiny as well. Very tiny. Let's see now. 41.71, also very, very tiny. 42.85, equally tiny as well. 43.06, equally tiny. So none of them are up to 50%. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes. It's up. LK. It's not, the stock is not optionable. No, it's not. It's not optionable. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So far, so good. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.